3 best fruits for age over 50. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing a topic crucial for individuals over 50. As we age, our bodies undergo several transformations. Our digestive systems may not function as efficiently, leading to inconsistent bowel movements and sometimes difficulty in controlling them. Additionally, our memory might start to falter, slowing down our processing speed. In this video, we'll share with you the top 3 fruits particularly beneficial for those over 50. These fruits can assist with many issues associated with aging. But before we delve into that, if you're new here and keen to learn more about our content, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button below. You can also support us by liking this video and sharing it with your friends on various platforms. Now, let's explore some changes that occur around the age of 50. Your digestive abilities may weaken, potentially complicating the consumption of certain foods. Your vision may begin to deteriorate, which could indicate age-related macular degeneration, AMD, affecting over 2 million Americans aged 50 or older. And memory. It often becomes less reliable, especially after 60. You might notice more frequent forgetfulness. It's also typical for people in this age bracket to experience elevated cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Thus, regular medical checkups are advised. Don't overlook monitoring your blood pressure, as hypertension is quite prevalent among those over 60. As mentioned in our previous videos, a significant number of individuals over 50 suffer from high blood pressure. Various reasons contribute to health issues at this age, such as digestive problems. But here's the uplifting news. Proper nutrition can aid in preventing or alleviating these issues. So, in this video, we'll introduce 3 fruits that are highly advantageous for people over 50. Whether you aim to maintain health or avert age-related complications, these fruits can be a delicious and beneficial part of your diet. 1. Papaya. Let's examine why papaya is an excellent choice, especially for those over 50. Firstly, papaya acts as a digestive ally. It contains an enzyme called papain, which is superb at breaking down proteins, thus facilitating smoother digestion. And let's face it, as we age, digestion can often become challenging. Consuming 2 to 3 slices of papaya daily, or even a whole fruit, can significantly aid in maintaining smooth digestion and a content stomach. But that's not all. Papaya is a nutritional powerhouse. It's brimming with vital vitamins like C and A, derived from its rich carotenoids, vitamin E, and crucial minerals such as potassium and folate. It's essentially a one-stop shop for essential nutrients. Additionally, papaya is a secret ally for your vision. Packed with carotenoids, which your body converts to vitamin A, it is essential for maintaining clear eyesight. So, for optimal eye health, papaya is an excellent choice. Now, regarding the immune system. As we age, our immune response might not be as robust. However, papaya can bolster it. Rich in vitamin C and more carotenoids, these nutrients strengthen your immune system against potential threats. This is particularly crucial as our immunity tends to weaken with age. Lastly, papaya is a champion in combating harmful agents known as free radicals. Loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, it diligently protects your cells from oxidative harm. In simpler terms, papaya helps keep your body in prime condition. So, if you're over 50, consider adding papaya to your daily diet. It's a proactive step towards sustained health and resilience as you embrace the challenges and joys of aging. Papaya is here to support you in feeling your best. 2. Lemon. Lemon, often celebrated in the fruit world, offers a wealth of benefits for those over 50. It's a fruit that merits a prominent place in your daily diet for numerous compelling reasons. Firstly, concerning blood pressure. As we get older, high blood pressure can become a concern. Lemon serves as a remedy in this aspect. Regular consumption of lemon, particularly its juice, has been linked to blood pressure regulation. This is a crucial benefit, considering that blood pressure often increases with age, and maintaining a healthy range is essential for overall well-being. But lemon's virtues extend beyond blood pressure management. It also boosts the immune system. As our immune function may wane with age, it's vital to bolster its defenses. Lemon, with its high vitamin C content and other immune-enhancing elements, becomes a key ally. Ensuring a strong immune system is crucial after 50, and lemon is a valuable component in achieving this. Regarding digestion, lemon is a powerhouse. Integrating lemon juice into your meals, even in small amounts, can significantly aid digestion. The enzymes and acidity in lemon juice facilitate effective food breakdown, promoting a balanced digestive system. This is particularly beneficial for older individuals who may face digestive issues. Lemon also assists in weight management. Its pectin content, a type of fiber, helps suppress appetite and maintain fullness, a handy feature for those managing their weight during later years. Additionally, lemons are rich in antioxidants. Loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, and other potent antioxidants, they play a significant role in shielding cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This protection can help slow aging and reduce chronic disease risks. Lemon is a steadfast ally for those over 50, offering a range of health benefits. Incorporating lemon into your daily routine is a small but powerful step toward enhanced health in your golden years. 3. Raisins. Raisins, often overlooked, are actually a powerhouse of health benefits, as we've discussed on our channel. They offer a multitude of health perks, notably in aiding the digestive system. For optimal benefit, consider adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins to your daily diet. A handy tip is to soak them in water or lightly cook them before consumption, enhancing their nutritional value. But raisins offer more than just digestive aid. They can also bolster memory. As we age, memory can become less reliable, but consuming 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins daily may help enhance memory. For those with diabetes, consult your doctor about the appropriate amount. For others, this quantity of raisins is generally safe and beneficial. Raisins are also heart-healthy, rich in dietary fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. They aid in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, crucial for heart health. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that regular raisin consumption can lead to improved blood pressure control. Moreover, raisins support bone health, an important consideration with age. Containing boron, a mineral essential for bone health, they help the body absorb calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key elements for strong bones. Research in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology has highlighted this benefit. Raisins also combat anemia, a common issue causing weakness and fatigue. Studies suggest they can be effective in addressing iron deficiency anemia, the most prevalent type. In summary, don't underestimate these small but mighty fruits. If you find these insights valuable, please support us by liking and subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications for more health and nutrition wisdom. Your support fuels the spread of valuable knowledge. Wishing you excellent health, peace, and a life enriched with fruits. Take care and blessings. Until our next video, farewell.